The lab is almost empty now. And the course is coming to an end. Not everything went as planned. And in fact, this is kind of the point with this lab course. Teaching science in a learning-centered way means shifting the focus from getting results to making sense of what happens, describing what the observations are. In this course, the students repeated methods and procedures in a slightly varied way. Through that repetition, they learned to execute the methods more independently. And they also learned what it really means to do science and not just follow a recipe to all detail. When experiments don't work as expected, we do not hide it. We do not cover it up. We explore the why. Sometimes explanations are simple. There might be a pipetting error, human mistake, technical error, some other cause with a consequence. Sometimes there is no clear answer. Just today we had a very peculiar situation in the Western blot. One group having unspecific bands in a certain area, they shared their samples with another group and there were no unspecific bands. Same conditions, same antibodies, same lab. Different observations with similar samples. But every discussion around these observations and results, data, images brought the students closer to understanding how knowledge is built, how science works. You design an experiment based on what your aim is, execute the method, have controls along the way, and then document your results, describe and interpret them. Come to a conclusion. So, as I clean out the teaching lab now for the last time, as this will be my last course here, it feels very right that the takeaway is not a perfect data set. The takeaway from this course is to be curious, persistent, and the awareness that science, like learning, grows from iteration. It is part skill, craft, and then also part is the unknown, what we aim to discover. So my message for you is trust the method, think about your controls, execute well, troubleshoot where necessary, repeat, never stop learning, stay curious, and happy teaching.